Well, thank you for joining us here on Wilderness Weather. I'm meteorologist Thomas Gathright here on the evening of June the 10th, 2026. We had some showers and thunderstorms roll through central Virginia earlier today, and now these storms are southeast of Richmond, approaching the Hampton Roads area, and it's left behind a warm and humid air mass behind these storms. Now, as we head into tomorrow, though, temperatures are actually going to be quite a bit warmer than today. You'll see a ridge develop here. This is a look at the jet stream. A ridge will develop here over the mid-Atlantic, and that's really going to allow temperatures to rise into the mid 90s for the highs tomorrow, and it'll be just as humid as today. So heat index values will be between 100 and 105, almost approaching heat index. I'm sorry, heat advisories area, but no heat advisories have been issued, but we are getting into that area there. Now, as we head into tomorrow afternoon as well, we are going to have a risk for some severe thunderstorms, 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale, slight risk from the Storm Prediction Center. Due to these very warm temperatures, warm air rises, and rising air is what can get storms going. And so we are going to really want to monitor that as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. Damage and straight line winds look to be the main concern with that. But I will say tomorrow it's going to be a very low coverage of storms, but if a storm does get going, it could certainly be severe. Now, Friday will be different though, because we're still going to have that ridge in the jet stream, but we're going to have a cold front pushing into the area. So temperatures will be just as warm on Friday, mid to possibly some even upper 90s across central Virginia. But this cold front is going to work in, and there'll be a more widespread coverage of thunderstorms. Also, a 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Slight risk once again on Friday, but certainly more people will experience these storms on Friday due to this cold front working into the area, and that'll be 2 out of 5 as well. And damaging straight line winds look to be the main concern with that. Also, now as we head on into Saturday, though, temperatures are really going to cool down behind, or the humidity level is really going to drop behind that front. The temperatures are still going to be right about 90 degrees, but the humidity level, the dew points will be quite a bit lower as we head on into Saturday. So it'll be a bit nicer out there Saturday than it will be Thursday and Friday. Now, on Sunday, though, it'll warm back up to the mid 90s, but another cold front will be right behind that, bringing us a more unsettled pattern as we head on into next week. A little bit cooler, but a little bit more chances of showers and thunderstorms. Speaking of showers and thunderstorms, we really need those right now. I know we got a decent bit of rain at the end of May, but we still finished the month of May 88/100ths of an inch below average. So all over 3/4 of an inch below average, almost 9/10ths of an inch. And so still very dry. We still very much need some rain. We're still drought 3, extreme drought here for central Virginia, stage 3. Very much need some rain. So that will be awesome if we can get some more coming up here soon. And we'll be keeping you posted if there are any heat advisories issued tomorrow. We'll be keeping you posted if there are any severe thunderstorm watches over the next 2 days as well. So, but until then, thanks and have a great and safe evening.